Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup momos at home. First, let's prepare our simple dough. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix these dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate about 3/4 cup of water. Knead until your dough is smooth and firm, not sticky. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This makes it easier to work with later. Next, let's create our delicious filling. Finely chop 1 cup of cabbage, 1/2 cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of spring onions. Combine these fresh vegetables with 250 grams of your preferred ground meat, like chicken or pork. Enhance the flavor with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Now for the fun part, shaping your momos. Take small portions of your rested dough and roll them into thin, 3-inch diameter circles. Place about 1 tablespoon of your flavorful filling in the center of each circle. Carefully pleat and seal the edges to create a beautiful round or half-moon shape. Once all your momos are shaped, steam them for 10 to 12 minutes until they are perfectly cooked and tender. Finally, let's prepare the comforting soup base for our momos. In a pot, sauté 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger and garlic in 1 tablespoon of oil until fragrant. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken stock, then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a dash of white pepper. Bring this to a gentle simmer. To serve, place your freshly steamed momos directly into the hot, aromatic soup. Enjoy this delightful, easy-to-make dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.